Here's a test run of the GUI for Team Gradient. You start off by selecting the communication port for the Arduino and the PID, and select Start. This will activate output 1 on, well, it'll activate the outputs on the PID system. In this case, I have a fan hooked up to output 1, which will actually be used for heating. Output 1 is connected to a solid-state relay, so it can actually pulse the temperature. So if I set this to 45 degrees, it ends up pulsing the speed, in that case slowing down the fan, but in our case we'll actually be using this to slow down the heating speed. We can also set this to below the current temperature, so if I set this to 15 degrees, it turns off fan 1 and then activates output 2, which will be used for cooling. Set this back to 80 degrees. And this is all being logged as well. So arc speed or stepper motor speed can also be adjusted in real time. And then data logging can be used to select a custom name and custom save destination. Otherwise there will be a custom a date stamp and time stamp associated with the name, and it will save to a predefined destination. We also have information on the current PID system saying what settings are currently set. The range from 105 degrees as a maximum with 15 degrees as a minimum. The other two are showing up as error because we're only using a single PID at the moment, which we have a communication error of 6633, which is just stating that they're not connected. And then to stop the system, hit PID start and then system stop, and that turns off the outputs.